In today's video, I'll show you how to add the SKU value to a variable product in WooCommerce. As you can see, the computer desk product on my site comes in two different variants, the medium and large. If I select the medium variation, the SKU value will be displayed right here, and for the large one, it's going to be missing, as you can see right here. So to add one, first we'll log into WordPress admin account. Once you're in the WordPress dashboard, on the left side of the screen, hover on products, and then select all products. Now look for the product in question, in my case it's this one, computer desk, and then select edit. Once the editor loads, at top right corner, click on screen options, and then set the checkmark product data right here. Now scroll down, look for the product data section. As you can see, it's a variable product, and then select variations tab. Right in here, look for the variation that you would like to edit. In my case, this one, large, and then select edit. At the very top, look for the SKU field. Let me add the value right here. Let's type desk-lg. Now scroll all the way to the top, and then click on update. Once the product was updated, go back to your website and try refreshing the product page. Okay, let's take a look. Let's select the large variation. And as you can see, here's the updated SKU value. So for now, that's all for this video. Hope you found it useful. And for more WordPress tutorials, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.